Hey guys, it's your girl Winn. Welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Like my videos and share with your friends and loved ones. And also do not forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Into this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make apple cobbler. So for today's recipe, I'm going to be using 8 Granny Smith apple, which also total to 4.2 pounds of apples. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So these are the filling for my cobbler, and for my topping I'm going to be using 1/4 cup of sugar, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 stick of butter, 2 eggs, and 1.5 tablespoon of baking powder. So guys, these are the ingredients I'll be using to make my apple cobbler today. If you want to learn how to make this meal, stay tuned and keep watching. Alright guys, so first I'm gonna go ahead and peel my apples. I already washed my apples. You can use a potato peeler or you can use a knife. The part of the apple that don't look good, you can cut it off, okay? Once you're done peeling it, just put it in a bowl. If you want to use a potato peeler, you can use a potato peeler or you can use a smaller knife or any size knife you have, okay? Don't worry about having a specific tool just to peel your apple. You can use whatever you have and make it work, okay? So I'll just go ahead and finish peeling this, and then once I'm done, I'll show you guys the next step. Now that I'm done peeling my apple, it's time to cut them or slice them. So you can go ahead and slice it. You want to get the apple off. You want to get rid of this and keep this. So you can just go ahead and slice this. This is exactly what you want to do right off. The thinner you cut it, the faster it's going to cook. The thicker you cut it, the longer it's going to take to cook or to get done. Alright guys, so that's exactly how you want to do it. Follow the same step and finish cutting the rest of your apples. I'm going to go ahead and finish this off camera, and then once I'm done, I'll show you guys the next step. So I have my bowl here. I'll just put this in the bowl. You can go ahead and put it directly into your baking pan, but I'm just going to put it here and mix it first before adding it to my baking pan. Alright guys, so I'm done slicing my apples. Now it's time to mix my apples with all the other ingredients. So I'll go ahead and get my lemon zest. I have this little thing, I forgot the name. So I'm just going to use it to get my lemon zest out. Actually, I'm just going to do it directly over my apples. The recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of this, but I'm actually gonna use 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. I just clear this and add this here. I'm gonna be using 1 teaspoon of this instead of 1 tablespoon. I'm actually gonna use just half of the lemon juice, and I have my lemon squeezer. I'm just gonna squeeze my lemon juice on this. I'm just gonna toss it. I already washed my hands, okay? So you can wash your hands and use your hands to mix this, or you can add gloves to your hand and mix this. And I'll add in my nutmeg, my vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, cornstarch, and brown sugar. So now that I added everything, I'm just gonna go ahead and toss these together. Mix it really well. So once you have everything tossed together, you can add this to your baking pan. So I'll be using this baking pan, my 13 by 9 inch baking pan, which is also 3.4 quarts. So I'll just add this to my baking pan. You want to spread it really well, make sure they are even. Alright, so I have my apple in my baking pan. I'm gonna set this aside, and now I will move over to mixing my toppings. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix my dry ingredients together. And I added my sugar, my baking powder, and I just mix it together. I will add in my 2 eggs. Mix this in. And I'll add in my melted butter. So you want to make sure your butter is cool, okay? You don't want it to cook your eggs. Alright, so I will need to add a little more flour into this because it's too soft. So now that I have everything mixed, I'll just go ahead and add it over my apples. So try to spray everywhere as much as possible. So before you start mixing your apples and the other ingredients together, you should have your oven on 350 degrees so it can stop preheating. I have my oven on already, so I know I didn't tell you guys, but I already have my oven on. And once you have it all spread out, take this to the oven and bake it for 50 to 60 minutes, okay? Alright guys, so this is my apple cobbler. It is all done. So once your apple cobbler is done, you can go ahead and have it with ice cream, or you can have it like that. But yes guys, so this is the finished product. So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, like and share with your friends and family, and leave me a comment if you have any question or concern. And so don't forget to check out my other YouTube channel. It's called All Things Winn. Subscribe, like and share. I appreciate you guys for staying tuned to the end of this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.